Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. That will be short video about the maintaining, servicing this pristine, beautiful 2008 Honda CRV. This is second owner only, recent purchase, I believe trade in. At the dealer, I did the detail inspection. I'm changing bunch of the fluids, and I would like to bring something extremely important for these Honda rear differentials, and it's the fluid. So it's very easy. This is the drain plug. I just got it out. You can see it here. There is always 1 point something quart in it, and this is the filler. And if you look even here, it says DPSF. There is always big warnings about this. Don't put, like I have here, gear oil I put in Toyotas. This is full synthetic GL575W90. No, not in the Hondas. The correct fluid and only fluid you will be putting in these is this one. Dual pump fluid number 2. Please do yourself a favor. If you don't want to have any problems with these rear diffs, you don't need any special tools. It doesn't need any hexes. The 3A ratchet, it's actually what fits in the opening of that plug. That's why I cracked it open. That was sealed original. You can see it here, right? Not a hex. It's that ratchet, and that's all you need for these services. So I just wanted to warn you, there is a reason why even here it's written the letters. It's really important to put the correct fluid when you're doing this service. Now, how you get that fluid back up there, obviously there will be impossible to pour it. So you need some kind of pump, or in this case I have like a large syringe, and you just suck it out of here and nicely put it there. Let me show you. Also, you will see the difference in the color of that fluid that was really contaminated. You will see how clear it is, and it's super easy when you have the right tools. I had the gloves, but dealing with the camcorder I took them off. It's also clean. Generally, you should wear gloves, protect your eyes, and look at it. Completely different color of the fluid than what you see in this sketching pan. So I will say very easy service, very simple. Just it's good to have a good tools. I hope you have enjoyed this little Honda Tech video, and make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, my friend.